guys, welcome to my channel Sports in Hot. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. I am going to play a lot of games and making online streaming for your entertainment. Okay, today I am going to play the game Plant vs Zombies. This is one of the famous game for 90s kid who definitely would have seen this game in their life. So this is like a recalling our memories and playing the games. We'll go into the game now. Clicks to start, and I will make a new user, say sports in hot. Okay, so this is already is created, so let me create another one, sports like, and we can start adventure. And today I'm going to play only the basic level, maybe the introduction one for everyone. So this game is presented by Pop Cup Games. So this is the trailer scene, and the introduction is, since I created my house name is sports, so it has come sports house. And this is the lane, the gray grass, and you have to place this pea shooter into this, and whatever you have seen, the zombies will start coming one by one. And don't let the zombies to go inside your house, then your game will be out. So, and also the collect the sunflower, that is very important, because if you collect the sunflower only, your points will go up and you can place the pea shooter. So see, the zombies in one by one will come. This is the indicator of level 1 and the game 1. And if this is the finish, this particular level is going to finish. And yeah, final wave, that means this level is going to finish by lot of zombies will come into this. Yeah, see here, this is the sunflower which you are getting end of this level, so that it will be useful for next level. And click this one and it will be loaded to your profile. Yeah, yes, see, gives you additional sun. So we'll go to the next level, and you see here more zombies will come here in this level, and the game offered more lane to you, and you have to place the sunflower because it gives the point. And also some sunflower will come from the sky also for you to pick the points. And as much as possible you have to place the sunflower, then only you can place lot of pea shooter. So the first zombie will take some time to come, so by the time you have to place at least 3 sunflowers, so that the point will increase continuously for you to place the pea shooter. You see, now zombies started to come, so now you have to keep the pea shooter here. And just for your information, make note, one zombie, the normal zombie, if you are seeing this normal zombie without cap or nothing, it will take 10 shots to die. After 5 shot the hand will be broken, then another 5 shot it will die. So that is a rule, so you can note down. Sometime when it will be useful, when the zombies is very close to the pea shooter, you can think that how many shot is balanced to make die of the zombie. Yeah, yeah, and you can see we are still in the midway only, a lot more zombies to come. So as I told you, you see, I kept the sunflower in 3 rows so that it gives continuously the points, so that I can keep on placing the pea shooter in line. These are very easy level, maybe for beginner it will be like a learning one. you see here a huge wave of zombies is approaching. That means the final wave in the level also is going to end here. And make sure you at least kept 2 pea shooter in each lane. Then this level will be very easy for you. Three pea shooter may not need, but okay, since I am getting points, I am just placing the pea shooter here. You see, end of this level you are getting a pepper bomb. So what it will do, that if you keep this bomb, so the nearest area all the zombies will die at one time. Blows up all zombies in an area. Yeah, now we'll go to the next level. You see a lot of zombies with special arrangement with cap and all, so that the dying capacity will be more for those zombies. You have to at least hit 15 to 20 shots using pea shooter. As I told you, first you keep the sunflower as much as possible. Yeah, so I'll keep this one 10 shot. You can also count if you want. Don't even miss one sunflower, because it is very important, that 25 points. You keep rotating the points and making you to place the pea shooter or the pepper bomb. Yeah, you see, now I kept each lane on pea shooter so that it will protect me for some time. So by the time I can keep all the sunflower in other missing places also. And ensure that cap zombies, you should at least have 2 pea shooter, otherwise it will be very difficult. It will eat one of your plant and it will reach your house. So the first area where the cap zombie is coming, make sure you have 2 pea shooter. Yeah, so I think this is more than enough for this level, but still, as I kept sunflower so that it keep on coming the point, so I keep the pea shooter as much as, so that the zombies will die immediately by approaching the lane. I'll also show you this, how to use this pepper bomb. So since now it is huge wave, the final wave, I will use the pepper bomb to you. And see, the pepper bomb always you keep in, don't keep in here, just keep it here, so that the 3 lane the effect will be there. And you see, this end of level we are getting a walnut. This is not a shooter or something, this is like a rock walnut placing on your lane, so that the zombies will take some time to eat this walnut, then it will approach the lane. So by the time, you make sure that you use pea shooter and die the zombies. Yeah, now we'll go to the next level. See, here the game offers you 5 lane, so all the 5 lane the zombies will start approaching you. So sunflower is very important, as I told you, just as much as keep the sunflower before the zombie reach you. Where is the zombie? Yes, it started. I'll keep the first pea shooter here. Definitely this is sufficient to make 10 shoots to the zombie. Yeah, This is one of the interesting game with various options, levels, different zombies, tougher levels are there. So many days I have played the whole night, and I was 15-20 years. It's a great memory for me. You see, I kept all the lane the pea shooter, so that now I will start putting the sunflower, so that, and also ensure you keep walnut also, so that the zombie won't cross our line. This is the time. You can see here, if you click here, it will show the recharging. That is the time it takes for to reload the particular options you have. So walnut will take some time, but walnut is one of the very important. You can keep like that, so that the zombies start eating. By the time with the pea shooter you can kill the zombies. You see, since I kept all the 3 lanes full sunflower, it keep on coming the points. Don't only keep in only one lane, so otherwise your points will not rise. See, I can keep as much as pea shooter also. See, I can keep. And you see, once the zombie started eating this walnut, will be damaging slowly, so that it indicates that after some time the walnut will be eaten full by the zombie. See, we are reaching, I think, the final wave. The more zombies will come. You see, as I told you, keep the bomb like this, so the nearest area the zombies will die at one shot. I think that's it. We completed this level. I don't know what will come in this level. We are getting shovel. This shovel will be used for lifting your plants, removing your plants. We'll see how to remove in the next introduction. It's dig up your plant to make room for another plant. Suppose if you are keeping one sunflower, and if you want to keep in place of that the pea shooter, you can remove with this shovel and you can plant the pea shooter to that. Yeah, next level is just a trial version. This is Mr. Dave, Crazy Dave. Yeah, greetings neighbor. Yeah, the name Crazy Dave. I told you. You can just call me Crazy Dave. Yeah. Listen, I have got a surprise for you. But first I will need to clear your lawn. Yeah. Use your shovel and dig up those plants. I will do. Let the digging commence. Okay. Yeah. Use the shovel and dig the plant. Dig the plant and dig the plant. That's it. Okay, goody. Now for the surprise. What? We are going bowling. Okay. Here, take this walnut. Why would I put a walnut in your hand? Click to continue. Because I am crazy. Now go, bowl me a winner. Yeah, you see here, you will get a lot of sticker with the walnut and option. The zombies start coming. You should just simply throw fear here. This is the red lane. You cannot place the walnut here. Only you can place in any of this place. Just place it. It will row and hit the zombies. See, if it is a normal zombie, one walnut is enough. If it is a cap zombie, I think you need 3, and you can see automatically here. Yeah, I think 2. So 2 walnut is required for the cap one. Don't let the zombies to reach your lane and reach your house. So sometime you can do like this. This is the red one, which is like a bomb. Just put it in the nearby area, all the zombies will die at one shot. Yeah, so yeah, I will make sure this completely die, and I can put another one. See, some advantages, sometimes the walnut will hit and it will make damage to other zombies also. So accordingly you can throw the walnut. Don't just put only for one zombie. When it is coming group, it will be useful for you. Yeah, I will make sure that all this die. Shh. Yeah, I think we are now going to reach the final wave. Maybe the huge zombies start coming. I'll simply put so somewhere it will hit and die. Yeah, huge wave. That means the final wave. Yeah. That's it, finish. We completed this level. You see this one? This is like a mine one with the arm. You can read it here. Potato mine explodes on contact but takes time to arm itself. It will take some time to arm it, but you can place it maybe 20 seconds, 25 seconds it will take. Yeah, we'll go to the next level.